Good morning, dear children. Today we are doing the part 6, that is part 6, and the name of the lesson is Attila. So, the children, we have seen that now the elder son of the family, as he was going to the market, that he saw Attila trotting behind Ranga. Okay, so now as he sees, what he says, "Hey, Attila." So he calls out to Attila, the youngest son. When he sees Attila, he calls it out. The young man, and he also started running. Attila wanted to answer the call after making sure of his friend. So Attila also recognized this young man, okay, and he wanted to answer to the young man, but he wanted to be sure of his friend, that is Ranga. And so he turned his head for a second and galloped faster. So what he did, he just looked at the young boy and turned his head for a second and galloped faster. Ranga desperately doubled his pace. Now Ranga had come to know that the owner of the dog has recognized Attila, and that's the reason what happens. Ranga became desperate and he started running faster. Doubled his pace means he started running faster. Attila determined to stick to him at any cost. Now Attila didn't want to leave Ranga at all. He wanted to be with Ranga itself, and so he wanted to stick to him at any cost. As a result, he ran so fast that he overtook Ranga and clumsily blocked his way. Now, what happened? As they were running, Ranga was running in front of Attila and Attila was behind. But now, Attila, he ran so fast and he overtook whom? He took over Ranga and clumsily blocked his way. Clumsily means in an awkward and a careless way, he blocked his way. That is Ranga's way. Who blocked? It is Attila who blocked his way. And Ranga stumbled over. And Ranga lost his balance and he fell down. So, as he was running fast, Attila overtakes him and he blocks his way. And what happened? Ranga stumbles and he falls down. As he rolled on the ground, a piece of jewelry flew from his hand. Now, piece of jewelry which was taken to a receiver of stolen property. So, what happened? As he was running, and a piece of jewelry that was there into his bag, Ranga's bag, fell down. Now, the young man recognized it as the belonging to his sister. So, when the young man saw the piece of jewelry, he recognized, he said that it belongs to my sister. So, the full bag is that was robbed from his house. All the things are there in this bag. So now he comes to know that all the things that is being robbed from his house, and Ranga only is the robber. The young man recognized it is as belonging to his sister and sat down on Ranga. And what he did, the young man, he also, as Ranga was fallen on the ground, he sat on him. The young man sat down on Ranga. Then what happened? A crowd collected. So a lot of people on the roadside collected there, and also the police appeared on the scene. So even the police came. Now what happened to Attila? Attila was the hero of the day. Yes. Now, Attila had done a very wonderful job by catching the thief of the house. And now he was the hero of the day. Even the lady of the house softened towards him. So, the lady of the house, that is, she was very against Attila. She always believed that Attila does nothing, he only eats and he only sits, he's fit for nothing. And now she realized that she was wrong and she now softened towards him. She said, whatever one might say of Attila, one has to admit that he is a very cunning detective. So now the mother realized that Attila was the cunning detective. He is too deep for words. So now the mother has realized that she all said that the dog is fit for nothing, he is useless, and what it is a shame for a house and all this. But now she realized that he is too deep for words. It was as well that Attila had no power of speech. Now we come to know that though animals cannot speak, but still they do their job very faithfully. They cannot talk and they cannot tell us, but still, whatever you may think about it, the animals are very faithful. So, what happened? Otherwise, he would have burst into lamentation. So, if it could talk, if Attila could talk, he would have burst into lamentation. Now, what is lamentation? An expression of great sadness. Yes, he would have expressed his sadness at that time, which could have shattered the pedestal under his feet. Means pedestal means the base that a statue rests on. That is known as pedestal. So, which could shatter. Now, if it was somebody, a person who could speak, surely it would have spoken and it would expressed his feelings. It would have been very sad for him to. Uh, it would have been very sad that the same family members are thinking so ill when he's working so faithfully, and this dog showed, he rose to the rank as a hero. He showed the family members that he is the very cunning detective, and this is what the family members actually wanted, that he should be a very cunning detective. And at the end he proves that he is one of the best or a cunning detective who is doing his work faithfully for what the family had brought, that he should guard and protect this family and the house, and that is what Attila proved to be. Thank you, dear children, and have a nice day. So, dear children, uh, what are you going to do for your homework? Read the lesson and answer the comprehension A part and B part. Mark the answers in your textbook. So, thank you and have a good day.